I'm here today with Duncan Rutherford in Cordeaux Heights. Duncan, hello, thanks for joining us.
You're more than welcome.
Tell us a little bit about your solar power system that you've got installed behind us.
Well, I've got the 6.6 kilowatt system with a 5k inverter. Unfortunately, it was the biggest I could get on a single phase.
That's right.
I would like to have gone a lot bigger, to be honest, mainly because bigger's better in my opinion.
You're that sort of guy?
Yeah, that sort of guy, more power. So it's been installed now for 8 weeks, 8 to 10 weeks, and I'm still delighted. I'm still in the honeymoon, so I'm still delighted.
In the honeymoon phase, that's good to see. And so did you have to do a lot of research before you decided on a system or a company?
I did. By nature, I'm a very technical and skeptical person, so I did a lot of research, which put me at odds with some of my friends because they were going to go with another company. I decided to go with the energy experts based on the technical support and information that they were willing to give me. I then took that, researched the hell out of it, found out that it is pretty damn good stuff, and then presented that back to my friends, so they've all cancelled their orders and now going with the energy experts too. So I'm sorry I've just given you more workload.
No, we like it, we really do. And as you know, we have a referral program in place.
I wasn't aware of that, but that doesn't mean that much to me. It's a good system and it was a really fair price. I'm happy to sort of tell my friends.
Great, that's terrific. Well, I'm pleased you're pleased with your system. I imagine as summer keeps rolling around, you're going to continue to get even better generation.
Yeah, it's talking to Wes, he's given me a few pointers on how to actually save electricity, how to program things to be used while the solar panel's on. So he gave me a bit of an education on how to make the most of it. And I'm happy to say that I know I'll get payback in under 2 years. So I've got to be delighted with that.
You've got to be delighted with that, that's true.